The Webster Collegiate Dictionary defines blood as the fluid that circulates in the heart, arteries, capillaries, and veins, carrying nourishment and oxygen to and bringing away waste products from all body parts in the body. Pretty dry definition for the red stuff that flows through our body. Today, I'm going to talk to you about blood, because by donating blood, we can save lives. We'll follow a unit of blood from creation to transfusion, looking at how blood is created and used by the body, how blood is collected and donated, and what happens to blood after it's donated. Now, let's go where it all begins, inside your bones. Blood is produced by the bone marrow inside your bones. There are 3 types of blood cells: red blood cells, white disease-fighting blood cells, and blood clotting platelets. From the bone marrow, these cells are entered into the circulatory system through blood vessels. Here they are suspended in plasma, which is a watery substance that makes up about half the total volume of your blood. And when I mean watery substance, it's about 90% water. That is one of the reasons why doctors tell you to drink 8 glasses of water a day. This complete blood with cells and plasma is pumped through your body, carrying oxygen to your cells and picking up waste products to be removed from your body. My second point is that blood is fantastic stuff. It carries oxygen, nutrients to cells, and removes waste, and also fights disease. But sometimes people don't have enough blood in their bodies because maybe they're going through a surgery. That's why we donate blood. So, who can donate blood? Well, according to the American Red Cross, anybody over the age of 17, weighing over 110 pounds, and who is in generally good health is eligible to donate blood. I can tell you from personal experience, blood donation is a simple process. I donated last month. I filled out a questionnaire, took a mini physical, gave my blood, and was given instructions on how to take care of myself a few days after. Like I said, donating blood is a simple process. First, you answer a series of questions designed to see if your blood is good to donate to another person. Next, you take a mini physical, where a trained physician checks your blood pressure, your pulse, and your temperature. Also checks your iron content in your blood. Once you've been cleared, you can go on to actually donating. Donating takes about 10 minutes. First, a nurse sticks you in with a needle into your arm, and about 1 pint of blood is drawn out and into a bag. After the bag's full, they remove the needle. You get to sit up, have a water, juicy juice, and some cookies that are provided. No worries, your body replaces it in about 24 hours. And most people don't have any side effects. Now let's move on to my last point. What happens to your blood after it leaves your body? According to the Memorial Blood Center, the next step is that being donated is it has to be tested. Blood that is removed from one person and is getting ready to be given to another has to be tested for disease, such as hepatitis, syphilis, and HIV. The next test your blood goes through is to see what type it is. AB, A, B, AB, or O. The AB blood groups are distinguished by A and B antigens and antibodies. The Nobel Prize Foundation website explains the research done on blood typing. It explains that A blood has A antigens on the surface of the blood cells and B antibodies in the plasma. This means that A blood will literally react with B blood as though it is an invader and will cause it to clump together. B blood is just the opposite of A blood. AB blood has both A and B antigens and no antibodies. O blood has neither A nor A or B antigens, but has both A and B antibodies. Pretty confusion, but very important considered during a blood transfusion. A blood transfusion is taking blood from one person and giving it to another. This may be necessary for surgery, chemotherapy, or during treatment for blood disease such as sickle cell. If the blood type isn't compatible with the person, the blood will clot. So, O blood can be given to any blood type. A and B blood can be given to AB blood. But AB blood can only be given to AB blood or AB blood types. I've shown you the steps that blood takes from creation in your bone marrow, through donation, and finally out of the plastic bag to another person. Blood is more than the red stuff that flows through your body. It is the very substance that maintains your life.